What's happening, TV 876?
What's happening, peeps? What's happening, TV 876? Back at it again here with you guys. Hope you're all having a wonderful day and you're all in the best of health and wellness. So today in Negril we have 5 armed robbers. Yeah man, 5 armed robbers attempting to rob another Beryllium Truck. Yeah man, peeps, na the hot sun at ya. Today na the day down on Negril. Robbers attempted to rob a Beryllium Truck. However, in the attempt of getting this robbery completed, the robbers were gunned down. Yes, man, as I stated. So it's alleged that there were 6 weapons that was seized after the knockings and the clappings and the gun down of these armed robbers. Yeah, man, peeps, I remember sometime last year, there were attempts. You see me? And actually one did successfully because a group of robbers, them did come out successfully after hijacking and robbing the Beryllium Truck. You see me? So today, I know it's like them robbers, I feel like, so them they are the same look or something. I don't know, I can't tell you what's going through their minds, You see me? I can't tell you. However, they attempted. Luckily, these Beryllium workers were on their P's and their Q's. You see me? Yeah, man, they were on their P's and their Q's and they neutralize the threats. You see me? That were up against them. Yeah, man, peeps, so but definitely have a video here so for play phone, of course. I wanna watch it, I wanna comment and tell me your thoughts, but I wanna think about what's happening here, as this has been something that's very frequent in Jamaica now for robbers, for thieves to be attempting or to try rob a Beryllium Truck. Yeah, man, peeps, so without further ado, I have a video here to play for you guys, of course. So I wanna just watch, like, share, and comment in the thoughts. I don't wanna think about the whole of that situation, because as I say, this has been something that's been too frequent now in Jamaica. You see me? Yeah, man. So I drop the video now. Comment down below. Wanna think and make me know.
Yeah, you know, say carry the vehicle in the water over there.
One carry in the water?
Yeah, man, the boat there reverse over there, man, in the water, man. So you want to fire shot in the water.
They're both sisters now.
Fearlessly.